Well, it's kind of snowing and sleeting here in Central Texas. It's cold as hell. Wind is blowing. It's got to be in the 20s. And the Magic Forest is nice and wintry. This new area. Maggie, come on, hon. We're gonna stay. As far as I know, this is the first time, well, Maggie's been in the snow since I've had her. Definitely since Tiger. And the new stairs that I put up, I gotta be careful because these are kind of iced up. So we're just in the beginning. It's supposed to get a lot worse before it gets better. We're kind of in a lull right now. And this is nice. We haven't got this kind of snow ice for a long time. I'm not happy about the ice. It's a hassle, but this snowy mix makes for a fun time. Mag, nope. We're going back to the house. It's too cold out here. All right. Get it. This is this new area that I've just cleared out of cactus. And yeah, let's go walking through here. Walking through the Magic Forest. Make sure I don't fall and break a hip. Yeah, nice. Welcome to the Magic Forest. Oh, I love it. Oh, what is about snow on trees? Oh gosh, it's freaking cold. It could get sub-zero tonight with the wind chill. Ugh. There's the bedrock, exposed bedrock. Let's see, make sure I don't fall. It's not too slippery. It's mostly the snow. There's some ice right there. Here in the Oak Tree Lounge. Oh, purr. All right. Get my gloves on. All right, y'all. So there it is. From snowy, icy Central Texas. The Magic Forest. Stay safe out there. Holy crap, it's cold. Laters.